my friends, the most important part of our Tesla project. Future look of our dream EV. Tesla is often criticized for not paying enough attention to fashion trends. But everything has its explanation. Tesla design is mainly focused on functionality. The future owner of our project, I'm sure, will never try to beat records in terms of range. Our main goal is to show that we can make Tesla with any car body. Of course, we could pick Toyota Prius, Pontiac Aztek, Nissan Sentra body, but since this car will be shown at SEMA, we decided to use one of legendary car bodies. And we were lucky. Our partner in this project, the S-Club company, deals with such exclusive cars. So we did not even have to make our own metrics to manufacture the body of our dream car. It was brought to us ready-made by John, the owner of S-Club. So we could make a new, very lightweight fiberglass body for our project ourselves. Well, it's time to show what we have done. Many of you already guessed from the last series which body we chose, but for those who still don't know, this is the most beautiful bodies ever produced in the world. The original of such a vehicle will cost you around $2 million, and once you buy it, you will never drive it. Because firstly, you will be afraid that it will get scratched and its value will immediately drop at least 30% down. And secondly, it is hard to find a more uncomfortable car. There is no climate control and windows do not open. A huge classic steering wheel rests against your ground and you are firmly pressed by the car's roof overhead. And personally, I don't even fit into it. Our task for this project, if you remember from previous series, to make comfortable car for everyday use. Comfortable, portable, keeping all Tesla features. So supercharging, updates, application should be working as well. In other words, the 2 million car here should be as comfortable as your neighbor's Model 3. And of course, with 2 trunks in front and at the back. For those of you who don't know, the original GULLWING would not allow you to go golfing. There is simply no space to put your clubs. Once we are clear with the goal and the name of our project, Tesla GULLWING, there is only one thing left: to try on the body on our platform. Just because this body was not specially made for this Tesla platform, it may vary in size. However, those car bodies that we will make from scratch for our future projects will be immediately adjusted to the platform we need. So here we are. Let's take some measures. The length of Model 3 from front wheel to rear wheel around 3 meters. The length of GULLWING body 2 meters and 50 centimeters. 20-inch difference. We cannot stretch the body, it will ruin perfect proportions, which means there is no way out, and we will have to stop this project. So I guess this was the last episode of Tesla GULLWING project. Subscribe to this channel, share with your friends, and see you next time.